YouTube, Colorful Codes here. Today I'm doing a video about command line basics. I'm going to be using a MacBook, but it's the same commands for Linux also. So the shell is bash. Um, yeah, so I feel like it's very, very, very important to, at least know these top 10 to 15 that I'm going to show you right now. I only used command line stuff in the past, like, I don't even remember. Maybe just all I did was type in Python. It's probably it. Everything I used before was just on the computer interface, but trust me, when you get the command line basics down, like you feel like a ninja and you practically do almost everything in the command line at that point. So yeah, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna just have a short video and I'm gonna be recording my screen. That's why I made an intro. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're back. I'm going to show you guys several commands. It's about 14 of them, I think. The first command is going to show us where we are in the moment. Right now I'm in my home folder. So the first commandment is PWD. CodeGem, that's my home folder that I'm in at the moment. If I ls, which is the next command, that's going to show everything that I have in my home folder, or just my general home. So yeah, these are all of my files that I have. Because it gets kind of like ugly during this, I'm going to show you the next command, which is clear. That just clears everything up. So I showed you PWD, I showed you clear, I showed you ls. I'm going to show you how to make a folder. So we're going to make a folder. We use the command mkdir, M-K-D-I-R, and we're going to make a folder called food. And if I do ls command again, that's going to list like everything in our home directory, because that's where we are at the moment. You can see I made a folder called food. So I'm gonna enter that folder. So how we enter it is we have to cd. So I'm going to cd into food, and I'm going to do clear again. And as you can see, food is pretty empty. So we're going to create something in food. We're going to create some files. So if I do touch, I'm going to create eggs.txt. We just created a file. If you do ls, you're going to see eggs.txt right there. You can also create a few files at once. So we're going to do broccoli.txt. We're going to do pizza.txt. And if you ls, you can see all of those files right there. And we could fill in some of those. Oh wait, should I show you how to remove? I'm going to show you how to remove one of the files actually. So if you want to remove a file, you just do rm and you put the file name. So we're going to remove pizza because it's not good. And if you ls again, you're going to see we just have broccoli.txt and eggs.txt. And you can make folders within a folder. So we're going to make another folder. We're going to call it purple. And there you see we have the two files and we have purple. And if we wanted to, I don't know, if we wanted to write inside of the files that we have, because right now our text files are empty, we can do that by, I have Atom, I don't know what you guys have, but I believe for everyone you can just put the name of your text editor and then you would put like the name of the text right there, and then instantly it would open up the terminal. Oh, this is so, why is it always doing this? Yeah, so instantly it would open up into your text editor, and it's already saved. So we could put in anything here. We can put in, I like eggs. And then we just click Command Save, and we can exit out. And if you want to see what we just wrote, let me clear again. Okay, if you want to see what we just wrote into that file, we can do cat eggs.txt, and that will spill out everything in the file. I like eggs. It spelled it out. We can also do less, and that will show us everything in the file also, and just click Q to quit. And also we can, this is a little advanced, but I use V a lot. Actually, I'm going to edit eggs.txt in the terminal. So I'm going to do V, which is an internal text editor in the terminal. And I'm going to do eggs.txt. Oops. I'm going to click I so that I can insert, and I'm going to put I like eggs and cheese and Skittles. And then I'm just going to click ESC. I'm going to click Shift colon and write it. And if you do like, press the up button so that you don't have to type everything again. You can see that I changed the file. Yeah, just click Q. Let me show you PWD again. Alright, I'm going to CD, you can see we're in the food folder. I'm going to CD into purple. And PWD again, and that just shows you where you are in the very moment. Alright, so now to exit back out of purple, because obviously purple is empty, we didn't make anything in there. Clear the screen. So this, to CD out of it, we're just going to do CD ... and that's just going to bring us back to food. And if you do CD ... again, that's going to bring us back into our home, as you can see. Also, let me CD back into both of them. CD into food and into purple. Alright, if you want to go straight back to home, you just got to do CD with a little squiggly line right there. And we're back home. And next, okay. Did I show you guys how to remove a folder? No, I don't think I did that. So right now I'm going to remove a folder. I'm going to CD ... into food, and we have purple there. I'm going to delete purple, unfortunately. So to delete a folder, you just do RMDIR, and you just type in the name of the folder, and it's just gone. We deleted it. So yeah, that's how you delete a folder. You can't delete folders with things inside of them. Like if you do, unless you do it recursively, which is dangerous and a little bit advanced, so I'm not going to go into that right at the moment, but I'm going to CD back into home, and I'm going to try to delete the food folder. But we have broccoli and we have eggs.txt into the food folder, so it won't work. So if I try to delete it right now, RMDIR food, it won't work because it's empty. So let's just CD back into food. And yeah, we have broccoli and we have eggs. I showed you guys that already. Okay, so next is man. So if you're ever confused about like what a command does, you just have to put man and then just the command. So that would give us a summary of the command clear. It clears the terminal screen. And we can just press Q to exit out. We can do man, and also we can do cat. And yeah, that prints out files and that concatenates files. I won't go into the concatenation at the moment. Yeah, so I could do man rm, and yeah, that removes files. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you the next one, which is man type. Okay, so basically type shows you what something is. So if I did type, let me do broccoli dot text. Okay, forget it. It won't show us a file, but type will show us what something is. So if I do type man, it's going to show us that it's like, I don't know what that means exactly, but it's showing us where it is. Let me see. If I do type remove, is that going to say the same thing? Okay. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you I have a bunch of aliases. I'm doing a video about that tomorrow. But whenever you want to know what something is, you just do type, and then it will show you like what it is. Like it says GI is alias to get in it. That's what I should have showed you first, because I don't know what RM is hashed even means, but it's a type. That's the result. So yeah, so I'm not gonna go over what do you call it, aliases right now. But yeah, so after that, oh yeah, okay, cool. Let me see if we have any folders. I'm gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna do make dear table. All right, we have a table there. What I want to do is that I want to copy. I'm going to use the CP. I'm going to copy eggs.text and I'm going to copy it into table. If we do a ls and we cd into table, ls, you're going to see that eggs.text was copied into it. And I bet you this one also has like the contents of eggs.text. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. So that's pretty cool if you want to copy. Oops, quit. And okay, last one. So I use MV a lot when I want to like change the name of something. So, okay, let's see. Let me change the name of eggs.text and I'm going to change it, move eggs.text to, so eggs.text, that's the original, okay? And then this is going to be the new one. Eggs.text is going to be bacon.text. If we ls again, bacon, we changed the name of eggs.text. And let me see, we do cat, let me see if it's like the same thing on the inside. Yes. Okay, so yeah, basically MV just changes the name. So I hope that you guys found this useful. I'm going to CD back into our home. Bop. Yeah. Oh wait, actually I wanted to show you, no, pause. I want to show you how to make multiple directories into another. Instead of having to do it one by one by one by one, we can do mdir, and then I can just make a bunch of folders into one. So let's make a folder called the cat is another folder, fell off the tree. So all of these, oops, let me not forget, you need to have -p or else it won't work. That's how you can make folders into folders into folders into folders. And let's go into, let me see, let's go into the. So as you can see right here, we have the. So we're going to cd into the ls. See the cat, and then we're going to cd into, like, let me clear the screen. We're into the, we're going to cd into cat, ls, okay, fell. So I'm going to try to cd into fell. The cat fell, what did I say? Off the tree. Wow. Oops. I don't think I made anything in it. Let me cd back out. Alright, yep. The cat fell into the tree. Yeah, so there you have it. Like, if you cd each time, you're going to see, you know, we're like, the cat fell off. So we're just going to cd that again. Isn't that cool? So yeah, so I hope you guys learned a lot from this lesson. I don't want to look at the time. I don't want to know how long I made this video go over. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely take some time and practice the command line. It's amazing, guys. I want to do a video about command line shortcuts and aliases. I'm doing aliases video tomorrow. So that should be so cool. Yeah, so thank you all for watching, and yeah, definitely go ahead and practice in your terminal, your Linuxes, your Mac OSs. Just practice all these and you're going to be bomb in no time. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.